All right, we got the Blizzard Magnum 8.0 Ti. This is another one of those high-end Carver class skis. This is the 2013-2014 edition, but my understanding is same ski as the present year, 2013. Lots and lots of fun. Kind of quiet and quick. Just a comfortable, very traditional GS feel, very well-mannered ski. Loves to go fast, but it doesn't have that damp, heavy feeling that some of those big, fast skis tend to get stuck with. Just a lot of fun. This is probably the first one that brought a smile to my face today here at Winter Park. And, if I wanted to be going real fast on some cruisers, this would be a heck of a choice. So no complaints here. Score one for the Blizzard. All right.